So we've seen a lot of different options for Google Slides files in particular, but also some Google Docs where it's an activity or an assignment that you want each student to do in their own Google Slides or Google Docs file, which means you need to get a separate copy to each student of that file. There's a very easy way to do that in Google Classroom. Let's say I've got this activity, it's a Google Slides file, you can see by the icon over here, and I want to get a copy to every student. I'm going to go to the Google Classroom where I want the assignment to be, choose Create and Assignment, give it a title. You can give it some instructions and change all of these things, but the important thing I wanted to show you is you're going to add the file from your Google Drive. If it's something you just made, it would show up in this recent area, and I just want to make sure I'm choosing the actual file and not the answer key. If you don't see it there, you can go to My Drive and scroll around and try to find it, or you can also search in this field up here. It'll look for the file name, and you can choose it from there. In any case, when you click on it, you're going to click Insert, and this is the option that you need to change. The default is that students can view the file. There's another option for students can edit the file. It keeps only one copy of the file, but multiple people can make edits on the same copy. Or you can choose Make a Copy for each student, and that will take this basic file template, give every student a copy that they can edit without it changing your file or other students' files.